Okay, so when we did it with using the little ramp tool, we found some interesting results. So what we wanted to do is look at the fact of what if we make the ramp longer and bigger? Will that make a difference in how the marble rolls? So as you can see, once again, we've got it at 10 centimeters. Okay, here's my marble, and I'm gonna let it go and go.
Well, maybe not, friends.
Try this one more time. 1, 2, 3. Nope, it's not gonna work. All right, so we had some weird results when we used the short ramp. So now we're gonna try the long ramp. And as you can see, it's at 10 centimeters. Okay, so we're gonna let the marble go right at the beginning.
All right. We are at 3'8".
All right, so we're now at 20 centimeters. We're gonna see what happens with our marble. Start at the beginning.
All right, we got to 8 feet,
So
friends.
here we are at 30 centimeters, and let's see. So we had 3 feet, 8, what was
8
it?
feet.
8 feet. So I'm gonna guess that this is gonna go around 10 feet again.
My guess is 13.
Ah, okay. Let's see.
All right, and we got to 12 feet.
Okay, 30 centimeters. Here we go.
All right, we are at 14 feet, 6 inches.